welcome back to the Island family.
Yesterday.
It's your girl Maria.
Your island boy.
And Island boy.
Bobo.
And
Ocean. The whole family is here.
Yes guys, so today we are at a show, Kyogle show. And we've never been here before, so you know, come along with us, enjoy the day.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful sunny day and we love it. And yeah, babe, you got anything to say?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way guys, it's Happy Father's Day today.
Yeah, today is Father's Day in Australia.
Yeah.
For anybody that's confused, like, oh, no, it's September the 7th, so it's Father's Day in Australia.
Yes.
And we're here at a car show, or
It's
something
a
like that.
yeah, car show.
Kind of like that.
Yep.
Something like that. So really.
We just came in.
Yeah, man, we're inside and very family friendly. Lots of stuff selling, so it's kind of like a market and everything in
like
one.
a market in one.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
kids rides
check it
and lots of flowers. Oh, so people just sell it off the back of their car and things like that.
like antique stuff.
Yeah, lots of. Yeah.
Is it?
Interesting. Jam.
I think we kind of came the wrong way, babe.
I think so.
We'll have to go back around.
Came on the slower
Go
side.
this way, just
Yeah.
out the cars.
Yeah.
In Jamaica, they'll be with their rum.
Like that. Body's selling something different.
1,000.
How much? 1,000.
1,000.
Oh, nice electric scooter.
And this is 4,000.
Really? Imagine me riding one of those bikes. That would be crazy.
Like that.
Yeah?
That's a big number.
What's big number?
Like this.
100?
Really?
1,000? 1 million? Zillion? Zillion?
Brilliant.
Oh, wow.
Away, son. Stay close.
Brilliant.
Harley Davidson.
Look at these bikes. Man, eh? Get one. Look at that, Bobo.
Wow.
You can see the engine, everything. That's mad. Yeah. So we're officially inside. I think that I wasn't recording earlier. So we're here inside.
Did you record the intro?
I don't even know if I caught the intro. I literally realized we didn't even pitch the mode.
Oh no.
Yeah.
That's alright. Welcome, we're at the Kyogle Showground.
Yeah, we're inside.
We're inside.
We're on the field now, gonna check out the live music playing back. We gotta get out of this place.
I ain't missing not a single thing. Conflicts, stick pin.
Beautiful.
When I step out, I'm gonna
Oh, so they have like a replica of a mini one inside there.
Yeah.
as fast as they can.
These stars are amazing.
Yeah. Haha, look at this one. This is beautiful. The Dodge. Look at this colour island. So pretty. Let's have a look inside of it. Oh wow, that is really nice. Beautiful.
Clean, eh?
Yeah, lovely. I like this one. That's my type of car. That one.
That's
Mustang.
like the one.
Yeah. That's beautiful. Look at this, guys. This is my type of car. Love it. Wow. Okay.
Oh my god.
Don't touch it, Island. It's pretty, isn't it? Wow. You're gonna drive a big, fast car like this one here. Wow, look, it's on the other side of the. It's a Cobra. Wow. You know how fast these go?
Sun. I'm going to drive it into the sun.
The Mustang. Beautiful car. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, we'll go that way.
See them on the road.
Do a U-turn. Coming back around.
See them on the road all the time, but first time being up close and seeing some of
No,
these.
they're so pretty. I love the colour. The colour is amazing.
Look at the what you call it, the
dash.
board. Look
Yeah. It's lovely. Beautiful.
worth a fortune.
I think I'm not too sure, but I think they got numbers because they actually like rate them. People judge them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah. Look at this one.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. It's a Corvette. That's a Corvette. Yeah. Wow. GT.
Yeah.
Jesus, that's pretty, man. Some pretty cars here.
Makes me feel like I want one now.
Oh, wow. Look at that one there, like in the future sort of type of car.
That one over there?
Yeah, with the door, like the doors go up like that. That's crazy. How do they get it like that? I want to go look at it.
Must have been custom.
Look at this island. Look at this one.
That's a racing car.
Wow, look at
That's a
that.
racing car.
That is beautiful. Wow. Wicked. Lovely, isn't it?
That is so cool.
Look at the front of it.
Wow. Oh, this is like in a spaceship right there. You're in a spaceship. That's beautiful. Absolutely. Look at this green one here. Oh, island.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. So pretty. Oh, it's an auto, babe. You want to have a look?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can stand up there, but okay. Jump down.
I'll see you next time.
It's beautiful. Yes, darling.
Can we go to that trampoline thing?
Yes, you were going to go there, darling. We'll have something to eat first. That's pretty.
The hinge and everything on it.
You know, makes me think like, cause like.
What you think, Bubba? You like them? Yeah? Nice. Look at that. Old school.
Dad, look.
What's that?
It's my dad.
Take a look at this. Oh, the rims them shine. I don't know much about cars, but just the look alone, that is amazing. Hello. Look at this one. Wow. That is sick. That's smart.
That's a nice one.
That's wicked. Look at this one, babe.
Oh, look at that one island.
This one island.
Ah, look at that one.
Look at the wheels on that. Oh my god.
That's beautiful.
Once you get moving,
Lovely. I want to go for a ride.
It's crazy. You can't even go inside one. That would be mad. It's crazy. Yeah.
Yep, look, another Valiant.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, this one. So pretty.
This one's beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah. On the inside, eh? Yeah. Wonderful. In ocean here, just enjoying the ride. You enjoy the cars,
That
mama?
one goes fast, eh, boy? Yeah, really fast.
Yeah, them clean. Oh, I tell you.
Try again now.
You can sleep in that one, babe. It's like a bed in that one.
Oh wow, it's like a like a black truck.
Yeah. You got a bed inside. That's mad. Oh, that one's for sale. That one's for sale there. Wicked.
Get something to eat.
Under the Milky Way tonight. Over the curtains down Memphis. Shopping, rubbing, knuckles something down. Feels like you're dying, dying. Say yeah, your sex is on fire. 'Cause you're about to transpire. How does it feel? Grabbing at my bones, and I can just taste it, taste it. We stop there, it's just tonight.
These are all the bikes. Oh, this one isn't working, eh? That one is really gone to the ground.
This one is
That's mad. Babe, what is that? About
14,000.
oh, for that one?
14 grand, yeah.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck. I didn't see the bikes, eh? Wow. Look at this one, Island. Island, look at this one.
The orange one?
Yeah.
That looks
Oh, this one's lovely. I like this one.
It's like this sun one.
All right, that's it. I'm taking this one home. This one's nice.
Oh, how are you going to bring it home?
Hey, darling.
That would be comfortable for long distance.
Probably not. Yeah, nah. This one looks nice, but kind of gives me like Batman vibes. This one.
Yeah, I can turn when it's
This, yeah.
What's in this one?
Beautiful. Look at that. I think I want to get a bike license. Beautiful. Just look at the art on this one. Whoa! Oh, just amazing. Wow, look at that.
Massive. That's rusty.
Beautiful, wow.
That's rusty. Don't get that one. That's. How do you even? There's one person has to sit on it.
Beautiful. If you're here watching us, we are now done with the show today.
Yeah.
So it's just something that we've never been to before. I mean, we're not really big with cars, but wow, we were stunned. As you can hear, half of us like going through all those cars going, wow, wow, that's nice, wow, because, you know, a lot of them are antique, really.
True.
But yeah, good day, guys.
Yeah, we had some food to eat, relax, listen some, what's that, rock music.
Rock music.
Yeah. it was
Not
good.
our genre, but, you know, it's still good.
Yeah, chill and
Chill and vibe.
enjoy.
And eat food.
Reggae vibe.
Yeah, it would have
Yeah.
been good.
Would have been good if Dad got up on stage, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dad should have gone and sang his new release that, by the way,
Yeah.
is releasing.
September 9th, my brand new song Offspring, which is dedicated to my two beautiful kids. You know what I mean? So I don't know when this video will drop, but if it drop after September 9th, just know that the song is out and link will be in the description. And if it dropped before September 9th, link will be in the description right now, so you can pre-order the song and just show some love, show some support, yeah?
Show some
Blessings all the
support
time.
all the time, guys.
Yes,
All platforms. Anyways, big up. Love you guys.
Wait, Tyler.
Laters. Ciao, ciao.
Holy shit, I missed that. What's that expecting that? Maybe you'll do it again.
The first time I saw